Welcome back to our channel. This is Techie Rick. Today, Redmi K40 versus K40 Gaming Edition. What the difference for both phones? Display-wise, both phones come with same 6.7 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Display-wise, nothing different. Software, both phones come with same Android 11 based in MIUI 12.5. New UI, yeah, MIUI 12.5. Otherwise, the difference is Redmi K40 comes with Snapdragon 760, a last model flagship processor, but Redmi K40 Gaming Edition is come with MediaTek Dimensity 1002. Reality, processor manufacturing is different but also equally run. The benchmark score is 7,04,000 in Dimensity 1200 processor. Yes, also equals Snapdragon 870 benchmark score. So benchmark wise nothing different. Okay, let's overview the phone side by side. Then phone top side, two phones come with same 12 speaker here, but Redmi K40 Gaming Edition speaker style is a little bit different. Both phone right side mounting fingerprint scanner here, but gaming edition right side only gaming triggers here. So volume locker key moved on phone left side. Redmi K30 right side mounting fingerprint scanner and volume locker key. See guys, normal K40 left side nothing. Then bottom side SIM card port, charging port and speaker grills here. Then the phone back side camera setup is look like mostly same, but back design totally changed. I like camera flash design. Do you like guys? Otherwise, both phones come with same 64 megapixel main camera. Camera wise, nothing big difference. Both phones take same quality of shots. Okay, what is the main question of this video? Which one is the best? My personal opinion, processor is MediaTek and Snapdragon. Otherwise, compared to Redmi K40, K40 Gaming Edition is much better. It's my personal opinion. What's your opinion? Do you like K40 or K40 Gaming Edition? Comment below.